Traders. For today's session, I decided to cover Australian dollar versus US dollar, and I will speak about the crude oil market because I think that we got some good opportunities on this market. So I will start with Australian dollar versus US dollar first. So I got here the multi-time frame screen. I got a 30-minute hourly for our 8-hour time frame, and I will start first with this. I call that this core intraday chart, like a 30-minute and hourly are my core intraday charts. And basically what I found there is that we got the retail sales actually happened today in Australia. It was pretty shocked, like minus 1.8% versus 0.7% expected. So very negative, and that basically caused this sell-off to start during the Sydney session and during the Tokyo session. We got initial sell-off, a little resell there. This line here is a previous day low at 300 level. And basically there we got something very interesting. We got basically a few hour balance at the breakout at upside. Obviously, as we know, if I right now tell you about a longer time frame, it's pretty extended, right? It's pretty exhausted on the down here on the lower Keltner line. Like 8-hour time frame is a very tight channeling mode here, and we are about to break this. So I definitely see this potential bullish opportunity, and it's pretty high. I think there is a solid odds for the price to go back at least towards a 0.7365 or even to retest 0.7410. Overall, watching the longer frames like 4-hour and 8-hour time frame, that intraday chart showed us that this selling was just an effect of that shocking event, and this sell-off and the balancing process and the breaking to the upside seems like that we are really absorbing that retail sales sell-off. And most recently we got also some balancing process around the mean, but we already got in the background that we got exhaustion mode and fake breakout of previous day low and stuff. So I really like this bull opportunity and watch for buying opportunities at this stage. This idea, intraday, will be invalid. The price will test 0.7288. As long we can keep this, and as long the price is above this level, I think there is we got more odds for the upside move. So watch for buying opportunities on the Australian dollar versus US dollar. And the next one is basically I want to show you the crude oil. Now, crude oil got a breakout of the I suppose a 32-hour balance. There was a balancing process going for a few bars on 8-hour time frame, and we got a breakout at upside. So technically it's on the breakout mode. But if you watch intraday, we're kinda right now on extreme. So I suppose watching for some kind of pullbacks on this intra frame, the core frame, will be interesting to watch. We also got this consolidation going on here, and so there was some breakout and we back into this consolidation. So I suppose watching for some pullback, maybe towards a previous day high, can be interesting level to think about getting some buying opportunities on the pullback for even further rally. And upside target based on this breakout level will be around 70 level, right? So there's a plenty of potential for the price to back into this 8-hour mean. So, but pullback will be needed from my perspective because this is a near the upper extreme on hourly and near the upper extreme on the 30-minute time frame. So I guess some kind of pullback will be pretty good here to then watch for a long entry. So that will be, guys, all for today. Hope that this helped you, and basically speak to you tomorrow morning. Take care.